Hello everyone, I am Rebecca Nirmal from Poonology Silks. In the running materials in the collections are so first a peach shade on peach and gold. This material is tissue Banarasi material. This portion this border portion creepers design all over body cherry bootas per meter price is 520. This is churdar salwar set frock skirt sari this set this plain material available bottom use set price per meter price 270 this color is peach shade color options this shade is navy blue shade same navy blue and color material tissue material. Next carrot peach shade this is a saree set blouse plain material set this per meter work per meter price is 520 this 270 plain material price per meter Banarasi tissue this is haldi yellow shade this sharara set this plain material this tissue Banarasi price is 270 price. Next is beautiful green shade green and blue combination mint green shade then material. Next one is onion pink shade or mouse shade. Sequence work golden color sequence work plain material. Next one is maroon shade color beautiful shade this saree set our night function stand out kind of glossiness plain material. Next lavender shade lavender. Sequence work lavender shade. Plain material. This work material price is 520, plain material is 270. Grape wine shade. Banarasi tissue classy outfit set plain material. So, we have running materials in the collections. Tissue Banarasi variety collections. We have web through purchase, WhatsApp through purchase, shop available. So, support thank you so much.